Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to book flight tickets online on Skyscanner. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Skyscanner account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Skyscanner? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type skyscanner.net, and that's going to take you to the official website for Skyscanner. So once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to sign up. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic window or homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Skyscanner. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, which is how to book flight tickets online in Skyscanner. So from here, you're going to have to select this from this top corner, set it to flight, and enter your from destination to destination or from location to destination, depart date, return date. Click here to enter travelers and cabin class. So select travelers and cabin class, best class. So apply. So once you click on apply and click on search, it's going to take you to this window. So you can set it to best, cheapest, or fastest flight. All right. It's direct. So I'm just going to take it to fastest because I don't mind paying. So this is fastest flight and they're showing me airpiece. So I'm just going to click on select. So book your tickets. You can read this before booking, and you can even check here to see the details of your flight. So you can choose either My Trip or Travel Wings. So this is My Trip, this is the cost for My Trip, and this is cost for Travel Wings. So I'm going to select Travel Wings, and it's going to redirect me to Travel Wings so I can book my ticket from there. So here I'm back in Travel Wings. Just block that. So I have to continue my booking here. So this is Lagos to London, and this is the amount, 2 million naira, 2.4 million naira. So just click on this continue button. And why is this required? Enter your mail. Once you enter your mail, let's say okay. So it's required so that your booking details will be sent to the address. So over here, go ahead and click on change. If you want to click on continue rather, but if you want to change the details, click on change here and head over to continue. So now enter your title, your first name, your last name, date of birth, mobile number, passport number, expiration date, nationality, and once you're done, go ahead and click on continue. So once you click on continue, just follow through the on-screen prompts, which are self-explanatory, to complete your booking. That is how you can book a flight, or that's how you can book a flight ticket online on Skyscanner. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.